Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Close CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove your Google Calendar from your Close CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Google Calendar from Close CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you accidentally connect the wrong Google Calendar. So maybe you want to disconnect it from your Close CRM so your events or personal events aren't shared inside the CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Close CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Close CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disconnect or remove a Google Calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see another menu here on the left in gray. And to remove your Google Calendar, just scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to look for this button here, Accounts and Apps. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the Google accounts you've connected. So go ahead and look for the one that has your Google Calendar connected. So for example, this one right here. And you're going to click on this little pencil icon next to it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section here, Calendar Configuration. Okay, once you're there, it should say Connected. That means that you're currently sharing this Google Calendar with your Close CRM. And to remove it, you're going to uncheck this box. So right now it's blue. You want to make sure it's gray. Okay, now this Google account is no longer going to be sharing events in my Close CRM. However, if you are not using this Google Calendar or Google account for email or calendar, you can actually completely remove the Google account by clicking here on Remove Account. For this particular Google account, I use it for email, but I don't use it for the calendar, so I've already turned off the calendar function. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a Google Calendar from your Close CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.